Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Hussain Ali from Chandbagh School, grade 12 and 13, chemistry teacher, A levels. Students, today we are going to go through the topic that is relevant to chemical energetics, and we would be going through a subtopic of chemical energetics, that is lattice energy. The students that are promoted from grade 12 to grade 13, they have to go through this topic first for initialization of grade 13 course outline. So discussing the lattice energy. But the definition, lattice energy is the amount of energy released when 1 mole of ionic compound is formed from its gaseous signs. Here you can see the example, that is sodium positive gaseous ion is reacting with chloride negative gaseous ion and is forming sodium chloride solid. Here the delta H lattice is equal to minus 755 kilojoule per mole. So you can see the equation here. In this equation, 1 mole of ionic compound in solid form is formed from its gaseous signs. So the amount of energy released in this case is known as lattice energy. The symbol for lattice energy is delta H lattice. The units for lattice energy are kilojoule per mole. Key points relevant to lattice energy are all lattice enthalpies are exothermic. You can see from the equation that basically the lattice energy is relevant to the formation of the electrostatic forces of attraction between the cation, that is sodium ion, and an anion, that is chloride ion, in gaseous phase. So this basically the lattice energy is the formation of the chemical bond. That is why it is an exothermic process. Secondly, lattice enthalpies cannot be measured directly. Why is it so? Because we cannot isolate the positive and negative ions in gaseous form and make them to react with each other. This is the reason why the lattice energy cannot be measured directly. Lattice enthalpies can be calculated from Born-Haber cycle. So this is a special case to how to calculate the lattice energies. Born-Haber cycle is a special case of Hess's law that we would be going through in the next videos. So keeping it to the lattice energy's mathematical formula is delta H lattice is directly proportional to the product of the charge of cation and anion and is inversely proportional to the summation of radius of cation and anion. Students, your home task is that you should be going through the pages 329 and 330 of book International AS and A-level Chemistry by Peter Kahn and Peter Hughes, so as to further clarify your concepts relevant to lattice energy. This was all about lattice energy. Hopefully you are finding these videos useful. Take care. Allah Hafiz.